guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasny and today I'll be filming this everyday makeup routine. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Alright, so now that my face is all prepped and moisturized, I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in the color dark brown. And also I'm going to be carving out the brow with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige. Alright, next I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 360 and also going back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige, and I'll be highlighting underneath my eyes, on the top of my lip, and my chin. Now I'm going to set underneath my eyes with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. Next, I'm going in with my True Complexion contour palette, and I'm going into this medium shade in the middle and applying it with a fluffy brush to the outer points of my cheeks just to add more warmth and also to really hollow out those cheekbones. Now, oh wait, first I'm going in with this, I don't even know, let's see. I'm going in with this Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Warm Berry. And with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to use just a little bit because this is really bright. So I'm going to just use barely any. Tap it off on the back of my hand. and then blend it in. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and it's called Triple Play Lash Perfecting Mascara, and I'm gonna apply it to both my top and bottom lashes. Alright, now I'm gonna highlight with this K-Pop Glow Up Super Shock Cheek highlighter by ColourPop, and as you can tell, I've definitely been using this a lot. I just love it so much. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you all can see. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna highlight. Now I'm going to outline my lips with this NK Makeup lip pencil in the color Cocoa. And I think this isn't enough glow for me. So I'm going to go in with this Master Chrome by Face Studio metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm going to go over the areas that I've already highlighted with this fan brush. Now I'm going to go over my lips with really any old gloss that you have at home. I'm going to go over my lips with this lip gloss to finish the look. Alright, so this is the final product. If you liked it, please make sure to go and give me a thumbs up down below. Also, make sure you share and subscribe and follow me on my social media. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so if you like this look, definitely please leave a like. Feel free to leave and also make sure you like how do people do an outro? How do people outro?